rendezvous point before we head north on our Scotland road trip.
Coming together on the,
Good morning, boys.
Morning, morning.
How are you doing?
Morning, how you doing?
Right. Good to see you.
I knew you'd have the camera out already.
Yeah?
I knew you'd have the camera out already, and there's one big issue.
What's that?
I'm wearing exactly the same as the last time I was on camera.
So this is your new toy.
It is the new toy since the last road trip, yeah.
It sounded absolutely insane.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Ultimate Road Trips. And guess what? We're on a road trip in the Aventador.
I've done 110 miles on 3 courses, I think.
Bloody hell.
I've not been going yet either.
I won't tell you my MPG.
No, I don't want to know. I've got a hole in my petrol tank.
Petrol and coffee. Right, first coffee break done. Cars are refueled and we're going to get on the road.
We are at Redline Specialist Cars.
They've got a lot of stuff here.
There is,
They've got a load of stuff.
There was a time, actually, when me and Meth turned up here, and we were coming to browse, and we actually came away with a car. It took about 2 hours from negotiations to leaving.
You right there, Dane? We've been here about half an hour and Dane's still trying to bot the damn thing. They've got so many cars here.
There's an F12 N Largo over there.
Yeah, that's crazy sound. Look at, they've got an original NSX.
No, I didn't think I had that much room at the front, and he said...
Bloody hell. That's ambitious.
He never told me that was there.
Bloody hell. Just...
He will do. Oh god!
Jesus.
Oh my god!
Fucking that sounded great.
But that's only an F12
Right,
with exhaust.
that, ladies and gentlemen, that's an N Largo.
That is fucking outrageous.
That is unbelievable.
Mental.
I honestly need to go and change my underpants.
Here he is. Good evening, Phil.
Good evening.
How are you?
Yes, it's cold, isn't it?
Yeah, very.
Very salty.
Phil
I can't believe you've
is
done
with
that.
us.
You have to think about that. Huh?
Hello.
Welcome, Phil.
I drove through the night. Unfortunately, I have to work full time to afford my car.
No,
So
Phil hasn't slept yet.
So I just had to leave at the crack of dawn this morning to get here and join all the others who are fortunate enough to only work sort of a couple of days a week. So
Tough, isn't it?
they're very lucky.
Yeah.
That's all I'd say. Very lucky to have these cars. They are very lucky.
So let's have a look at those cars, shall we? So what have we got? What are you doing?
Vlogging the vlog.
You're vlogging the vlog.
And we're going to start his car up.
It's a bit more comfortable than the Lotus was.
Yeah, I'd say so.
So we're heading up to Glen Eagles today.
We playing golf?
No.
Oh. Why are we going to Glen Eagles then?
Just breathing in fuel.
Yeah. Nice for the morning.
But first, we're going to go to Porsche in Edinburgh. Just for shits and giggles. That's so ridiculously loud.
First starter.
So loud.
High pressure warning light's gone off.
Let's get on the road. What's it saying?
It says gearbox malfunction.
Oh, that's not a good start.
Looks like it might have cleared it.
Probably just 'cause it's cold.
Let me just try my
It
belt.
is Italian.
Gone off then.
Yeah, the warning lights come off now, yeah.
Good
Yeah,
stuff.
it wouldn't go in first or anything.
Good to go. Let's do it.
Right it.
So Dame's gearbox malfunction warning has gone, and we're on the road to Scotland. It's looking like it could snow.
We remember this, don't
Now,
we?
Ultimate Road Trips goes back to
2003.
yeah, and this was one of our first stops en route up with Darren, who's no longer part of the crew because he's in Singapore. Maybe he'll come back next year.
Yeah.
We'll introduce him. So anyway, Dame's
Join
gone.
us, Darren. Have some
Yeah,
fun.
come over here. Get away from bloody Singapore. So Dame didn't see us all turn in. Didn't spot the cars. Somehow didn't spot the.
Insta photo, look at that.
Well, go on then.
Come on.
What's wrong?
Pictures, look at that.
Right, you vlog then.
Nothing but fields. I'm going to do a piss and I'm going to do so much vlogging.
Okay, well I'll get the camera out and stuff.
Look,
But
side, there's a picture there with all 3 Porsches taken on the backdrop.
thanks, Matt.
Come on.
What's that?
This is Ultimate Road Trips.
Another day.
Another dollar.
Dealership.
Yeah, we're in Edinburgh. Ferrari, Porsche, Bentley and Lamborghini. I think we all individually have spoken to these guys at some point, so
Yeah.
we are here to do a deal.
We have just arrived at Glen Eagles.
We have.
And
And we have the Aventadors just arrived. A bit late behind us. We're going to hit the bars now.
right, good morning, gang. Here we are in Glen Eagles.
Hot trot.
No, we're not in Oxford. Over to the house?
I think so.
Hotel?
Let's do this.
Console launcher. Estrada. Sport. And then Corsa.
Oh yeah.
Gran Turismo style.
Oh, that's a weapon. Oh yeah. Very familiar sight.
Yeah.
Another petrol station.
Like your car.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right, we're out with the cars. We're going to get a couple of flyby shots now. And
But first we've got to do a DJI update. We've gone for so long.
Hey?
You've gone for so long. I think I did 3 flybys.
the snow started falling and we got to get back before the beast from the east shuts down the country.
It's already shut, mate. I'm staying in the lodge all nice and cosy. Me too. I'm gonna go to the spa.
For a week.
Go and sit in that hot tub.
What a fucking dreadful day.
So as the snow's coming down, we're locked out of the lodge we've been in for the last few days because we paid the bill.
I'm sad to leave.
Me too.
Not because of the company, but because of the place.
Have you had enough of us this weekend?
Just make that clear.
Yeah. Last morning, heading off from Glen Eagles, and we've been warned about the beast from the east, the weather front coming in, and yeah, started snowing. So we got 7 hours on the road today. Be interesting to see what the weather's like as we head south and east.